Barcelona traffic LM 74 Tango, taxi to runway 24 left.
Barcelona traffic, VY6010 Kilo Lima, depart. Clear to take off, runway 24 left, VY6010 Kilo Lima.
Refueling truck is on its way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it.
Barcelona traffic, KLM 74 Tango taking off runway 24 left.
Barcelona traffic is 545, good afternoon, push and start, stand number 11 or 212.
Fuel truck is in position. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity.
Why the heck the doors aren't openable? Normally it should be openable in the Fenix. Strange. Hello guys, welcome back to a new flight and stream here on my channel. Today we are doing some Vueling ops here with the A321, simulated by Fenix. Yeah, long time actually we flew the A321. And yeah, today's flight will be here from Barcelona, out of Barcelona, to Genoa in Italy, which we also flew long time, not Genoa.
Is 545.
And yeah, we're standing currently here Barcelona airport. And stand 242. The rear flight I checked also departed from this stand. And currently the fuel truck is loading the fuel which we need for our flight. As you can see, weather is quite good here. We have 15 degrees and just a few clouds here. But it's quite windy here. It's gusting up to 29 knots. Yeah, visibility is good, as you can see, QNH1004. Let me show you the details of the flight plan. So, like I said, we are flying today a Vueling flight, Vueling flight 6010, the reflight. Course will be Vueling 34 Echo Juliet as the reflight. Takeoff weight was calculated today with around 76.2 tons. And the block fuel which is currently loading into the aircraft is around 6.7 or almost 6.8 is required. Yeah, departure here in Barcelona will be probably the one-way. That's not correct here. One-way 02 I think is mostly not used here in Barcelona. That's typical Simbra.
Boarding requested.
And 02 doesn't make any sense actually with this winds. I mean, it's still crosswind, but in real life I would use probably 24 left now for departure, which I think we're gonna use, not 02. So let's plan with 24 left actually. That means we have also a new departure. So we can use the Agena 7 Quebec departure or Agena 4 Foxtrot. Actually, let's use the Agena 4 Foxtrot departure, because this is a really cool departure where you're making like a turn around Barcelona again and you can see the city really nicely then again. And as in real life we are departed the other departure, but yeah, let's do this departure. Yeah, and in Genoa we're expecting for now runway 10, again 1 Papa arrival. Block time was calculated 1 hour 27 minutes, passengers 212, cargo 3.2, payload 20.1 tons, zero fuel 69.7. Yeah, we're sur route, flying like I said towards the east, northeast, along the Spain coast over the Mediterranean Sea, and continue towards the northeast along the French coast, passing by the city of Nice, and then here along the Italian coast directly to Genoa. Yeah, as you can see from the weather, there's nothing like big significant expected, just some higher cloud layers, flight level 100. And the winds, we expect in flight level 340 for the cruise. From the winds we have strong cross and a little bit of tailwind in the beginning. And then later on we have mostly like crosswind and getting more weaker towards Genoa. Flight level 340, like I said, for the cruise. Let's start programming a flight plan. For my research, I saw that Vueling may be using Fenix A321 SL.
Barcelona traffic is 545, line up runway 25 left, and takeoff.
So, where's our preliminary load sheet? We're expecting a 0.69.7 and 0 precision 26.8. Block fuel, which is loading by the fuel truck currently, or probably finished already. 6.7, yeah, it's already finished.
Barcelona, Vueling 8 X-ray Juliet, vacated runway 24 right.
Is 545 Barcelona traffic runway 25 left, takeoff.
So, 2 left for departure, again out for Froxa departure, as we discussed. Passengers are boarding, but seems like GSX is not properly working here with this jetways here in Barcelona. We don't see any GSX actions here with the passengers boarding. We're almost boarding instantly. It's already 170 from 200. What the heck? Yeah, like I said, Genoa. We're expecting for now runway 10.
Is 545 Alpha takeoff, climb for 0350, located 325 route, bye-bye, have a nice day.
Yeah, that's of course not realistic that boardings are completed. This is a bug, but GSX not properly detecting properly jetways or something. That's why the passengers almost instantly boarded now. Anyway, we're just gonna ignore that and assume that boarding is still ongoing.
Barcelona Traffic Union 2204 is turning base for wireless approach runway 24 right.
Bienvenidos a Vueling. Para poder despegar cuanto antes, por favor compruebe que su equipaje está bien colocado y que su asiento sea el correcto. Les informamos que durante estos momentos y hasta la finalización del embarque se permite el uso de los dispositivos electrónicos. Cuando finalice el embarque, por favor asegúrense que sus dispositivos electrónicos de mano estén apagados o bien en modo avión. Los dispositivos electrónicos de mayor tamaño deberán apagarse y asegurarse por completo. Recordamos que en los compartimentos superiores solo se ubicarán maletas. El resto de objetos, incluyendo ordenadores portátiles apagados, deben ir debajo del asiento delantero, dejando libre el pasillo y las filas de emergencia. Cuando finalice el embarque les ayudaremos a colocar el equipaje desubicado. Gracias por su colaboración. Welcome to Vueling. So that we can take off as soon as possible, please make sure your luggage is secure and slow and you are in the correct seat. We would like to inform you that at this time until boarding has ended, the use of electronic devices is allowed. Once boarding has ended, please make sure your portable electronic devices are either switched on or large electronic devices must be completely switched off and secured. We remind you that only bags can be stored in the overhead lockers. All other objects, including switch-off laptops, must be kept in the seat in front of you, leaving the aid and the emergency rows unobstructed at all times. Once boarding has ended, we will help you with any unstowed luggage. Many thanks for your collaboration.
Okay, let's continue calculating our tech performance here.
Barcelona traffic, Union 2204 established on VY runway 24 right.
So like I said, we're departing here from runway 24 left, Golf 3, we're gonna calculate anti-ice is not required, packs, let's do them off. Okay, full length of takeoff. Okay, 57. Flex temperature, flaps 2 up 0.6, pitch trim 140, 146, 147 for the V speed. Is set. Okay, I would say let's do our briefing, guys. Slow boarding has been already completed. Start up the APU. So stand 242 is our stand. We will push back here onto Lima 8 and we will taxi. A moment. Yeah, we will taxi here Lima 8 when right echo cross runway 02, left kilo. And then we continue kilo and line up here runway 24 left via Golf 1 or Golf 2. Full length available. We've taken off today flaps 2 with PEX off, anti-ice on. Sorry, anti-ice off I mean. Flex time we have calculated of 57 degrees, 140, 146, 147 for the wheel speed. Yeah, departure route today. We are departing, like I said, Agena for Foxtrot departure. There's 2 departures available. There's also the Agena, another departure, which I think also the reflight took. But I want to try out the Agena for Foxtrot departure since it's more scenic. And we can see nicely the city and the climb. It's a right turn from the airport and then, yeah, flying past by the city. Agena for Foxtrot departure. So we will departing 500 feet minimum, left turn to Peral, max 210 knots, 3000 feet minimum, making a right turn to Bravo Lima 820 with a max speed of 225 knots, 6000 feet minimum, flying to Bravo Lima 823, right turn to Bravo Lima 824, flight level 100. Here's the Barcelona video, and then making right turn, Bravo Lima 826, and then we continue Bravo Lima 827. Sorry, flight level 160 minimum, flying left turn to Agena with flight level 160 there minimum. Transition altitude on this departure 6000 feet, and we have a 6000 feet also initial climb clearance. ATC VY6010 is now online actually. We have the ground online, so we need to contact the IAE clearance there. So maybe we get a different departure right now. Okay, let's get our IAE clearance.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, good day. You're clear to destination via Agena 7 Quebec, departure runway 24 left, initial climb 6000 feet, squawk 6216. Vueling 4 Echo Juliet, read back correct. Can you say again the last transmission? Let me double check and I'll get back to you.
Barcelona, very good afternoon. Vueling 2 Whiskey Bravo, we just cleared 24 right.
Vueling 2 Whiskey Bravo, hello, welcome to Barcelona, all short Echo Sierra.
All short Echo Sierra, Vueling 2 Whiskey Bravo.
Would be nice if we can get this departure. Like I said, it's really scenic, and I also planned now and briefed this departure. So if we really get the 7 Quebec departure, we need to rebrief everything. Let's see if you can get us the... yeah. For...
Vueling 340 Juliet, departure is not possible apparently, so it will have to be again a 7 Quebec.
Okay, then we need to change the departure. And rebrief our departure. So shortly after departure, heading 229 degrees, so at 500 feet, make a left turn, flying to Bravo.
Vueling to Whiskey Bravo, continue taxiing
flying
to
Bravo 800,
for
max
speed
210
via Lima. Have a good day.
Then continuing
Via Lima,
to Bravo 805, max 225 knots. Then make a left turn, flying to Bravo 811, flight level 100.
Thank you.
Then we continue flying Bravo Lima 827,
Golf,
flight level 160 minimum, flying to then Agena, flight level 160 then minimum. Yeah, as ETC told us, 6,000 feet.
Golf, taxi to holding point 124 left, via Quebec and Kilo.
Runway is still the same, no recalculation of
24 left,
needed.
via Quebec and Kilo, Vueling 9.
Taxi cargo 9 Bravo Foxtrot, continue taxiing via Delta, hold short and Kilo.
Continue taxi via Delta, holding short on Kilo, taxi cargo 9 Bravo Foxtrot.
Rampas traseras armadas, ciclos check OK.
So, about a couple of brace checks, we can remove few
Taxi cargo 9 Bravo Foxtrot, continue taxiing to holding point 112 for left.
Secret signs
Continue taxi
on.
for left, taxi cargo 9 Bravo Foxtrot.
Secret signs are on. Set enough. Parasense set QNH 1004 both sides, and Dennis, welcome to the stream, mate. Long time not see what you're doing. More wine. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. How about you? Let's get pushback clearance.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, standby. Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, push star approved, facing east, GNH 1004. Taxi cargo 994 Bravo Foxtrot for
nice
departure
one.
monitor advisory 1228. Have a nice flight.
You didn't do much streams in the last time, or my notifications not working. Did you do some streams? Before subject parking brakes is set to your speeds and thrust. We have calculated and set. Windows closed. Beacon lights on. Oh, my wrist lags.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a Vueling. Estamos preparándonos para el despegue. Es hora de ponerse cómodo. Por favor, abróchense el cinturón, mantenga el asiento en posición vertical y la mesita plegada. Asimismo, verifique que los artículos pesados, botellas, detonadores, portátiles apagados y
So, starting engine number 1.
que no sean de mano estén bien colocados y asegurados.
Yeah, I saw you didn't do any stream, unfortunately, bro. But yeah, I can understand. Sometimes I have also like many weeks where I don't have time.
Nos falta informarles que desde este momento y durante todo el vuelo podrán usar los dispositivos electrónicos de mano, siempre en modo abierto sin conectividad. En caso de que su dispositivo no disponga de dicho modo, pueda permanecer apagado. Si tiene cualquier duda sobre la política de uso de estos dispositivos, por favor contacte con nuestra tripulación. Muchas gracias por compartir este viaje con nosotros. Le deseamos un buen vuelo. Good morning, welcome to Vueling VY6010 takeoff. It is time to make yourself comfortable. Please fasten your seatbelts, keep your seats in the upright position, and trace over stairs. Please also make sure that heavy items, sponsors, stop laughter, and that portable electronic devices are adequately and securely stowed. All the baggage must be stowed to the overhead lockers.
Vueling 90 Golf for departure monitor Unicom 1228. Have a nice flight, bye.
Heck, GSX.
As of now, after the training of the time, provided they are either in a locality with no connectivity. If the devices have been loaded on the main quick stop, if you have any questions regarding the quality and the use of such devices, please answer the public trip. Thank you for sharing this trip with us. Enjoy your flight with Vueling.
Is GSX now pushing us to the runway or what? The heck is this push, man? What the heck? So, engine 1 stabilized, engine watcher.
Safety is of utmost importance to us, so even if you are a frequent flyer, we ask you to remove your headphones and pay close attention as we take you through the safety instructions for this aircraft.
La seguridad es muy importante para nosotros. Por ello, les pedimos que incluso si son viajeros frecuentes, no utilicen auriculares y presten atención durante la demostración de seguridad.
Our Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors at the front, 2 doors forward at the wings, 2 doors behind the wings, and 2 doors at the back. Each exit is clearly identified and can be found by following the exit route lights along the aisle.
Este Airbus A321 dispone de 8 salidas de emergencia, 2 puertas en la parte delantera, 2 puertas delante de las alas, 2 puertas detrás de las alas, y 2 puertas en la parte
Engine
trasera.
to stabilizing.
Cada salida está
Engine select
claramente
normal.
señalizada y se localiza
First.
fácilmente siguiendo el camino de luces del pasillo.
Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and unfastened like this.
Así es como se abrocha, se ajusta y se desabrocha el cinturón de seguridad.
Should the cabin air supply fail, an oxygen mask will automatically appear
Back
from the
controls.
panel above your head. Pull it down
Put
to
on.
release the flow of oxygen, and place it over
Pull
your
up.
nose and mouth, adjusting the elastic
Neutral.
strap for fit.
Pull left.
Remember to always put on your own
Right.
mask before helping others.
Neutral.
For safety reasons, in the event of loss of cabin pressure, your face mask must be removed before you place the oxygen mask to facilitate oxygen flow.
En caso de pérdida de presión en cabina, los compartimentos que están sobre sus asientos se abrirán automáticamente y aparecerán sus máscaras de oxígeno. Tiren de ellas para abrir el paso del oxígeno y colóquenlas sobre la nariz y la boca, ajustándolas con la cinta elástica. Recuerden que siempre deberán colocarse primero su máscara antes de ayudar a los demás. Por motivos de seguridad, en caso de pérdida de presión en la cabina, antes de colocarse la máscara de oxígeno, deben retirarse las mascarillas de protección facial para facilitar el flujo de oxígeno.
Your life jacket is under your seat. It
Voilà.
may only be used if instructed to do so by the cabin crew.
El chaleco salvavidas
Right,
se
and
encuentra
neutral.
debajo del asiento y únicamente puede utilizarse si lo indica la tripulación.
To use it, put your head through
By
the
ground.
Para utilizarlo,
So after such
deberán
checks,
introducir
anti-ice
su
and
cabeza
Franken
por la
cells
abertura.
checked.
Wrap the
Pitch
strap
turn.
around your waist. Fasten the buckle, pulling the strap until the life jacket fits
0.6 up.
snugly.
Pasen la cinta alrededor de la cintura, abrochen los cierres delanteros y tiren de la cinta hasta que el chaleco esté
Roger.
bien ajustado.
Inflate the life jacket by pulling the red tab.
Neutral.
El chaleco se infla tirando de las placas rojas.
It can also be inflated by blowing into the tube. You may only inflate the life jacket once you have left the aircraft.
También puede inflarse soplando a través de la válvula lateral y nunca debe inflarse dentro del avión.
Please take a look at the safety card in your seat pocket.
Revisen la tarjeta de seguridad. a
Vueling
bordo, que se
34
encuentra
Juliet,
situada en el
please
bolsillo del asiento.
double check your squawk
And remember,
6216.
in the event of evacuation, you must follow the cabin crew instructions, leaving all hand luggage behind.
Recuerden, en caso de evacuación,
Pasado ground line
deben seguir las
2921.
indicaciones de la tripulación y en ningún caso...
2921, hello, welcome to Barcelona. Taxi to star 902 by Golf November. Have a good day.
Gracias por su atención y
I
disfruten
do by
del vuelo.
Golf November and I 2921, see you later.
Vueling 34 Juliet, thank you. Taxi to holding point runway 24 left via Echo and Kilo, cross runway 02 on Echo.
On the ground, hello, VY Nana Quebec Hotel, Romeo 5.
Line 9 Quebec Hotel. Good day, welcome to Barcelona. Spec and 266, taxi via Echo, hold short on Lima.
Spec 266, taxi via Echo, hold short Lima, Nana Quebec Hotel.
Line 9 Quebec Hotel, continue taxiing to stand 266, good day.
Stand 266, good day, Line 9 Quebec Hotel.
The heck? Brake check. Pedal press, pressure 0. Meine Güte. Catastrophic performance here. That's 224 sometimes.
134 Echo Juliet, monitor advisory 122.8. Have a nice flight, bye bye.
Flying runway 34 left. FS 2024 in a nutshell. I have really enough from it. Next time we're flying FS 2020 again. Take off, guys. And flex 57 degrees SS 1 way out of first boom. Rotate. Off. And left turn. Climb, first climb, out low. Autopilot 1 on. I don't understand this FS 2024 logic. Look at this, now it's completely very good FPS. What is this logic? Maybe the airport is not really good abgemacht. Here on everything. I don't know. Flaps 1 speed check. What's up? Switch up. Hello, Samsam. How are you doing? Are you 24 fully now? Yeah, since a long time. But FS 2024 still does a lot of problems, especially with performance and sometimes crashes. I think I'm gonna switch to FS 2020 when this is really going on us, to be honest. Yeah, definitely, mate. And I hope also that FS Labs is updating the AV21 Neo and also bringing in the PV engines as well. That's what we can hope more. That's what we can hope. Yeah, it was of course not the best strategy to do this, but as well, to be honest, they did it mostly for people who were just pirating their planes. But of course it doesn't allow you to just put like an virus on every PC to check if you pirate. It's of course also not okay.
Estimados pasajeros, en breves momentos les ofreceremos la tienda libre de impuestos que permanecerá abierta hasta el comienzo del servicio de merienda. Consulten el catálogo a su disposición en el bolsillo de su butaca, donde podrán elegir entre una selección de artículos y promociones exclusivas. Consúltenos para cualquier cosa que necesiten. Muchas gracias. Dear passengers, we shall shortly be offering our duty-free shop, and will remain open until the start of the snack service. The onboard shop catalog is at your disposal in the literature pocket of your seat, where you can choose from a selection of items and exclusive promotions. The crew will be happy to help you and anything you may require. Thank you.
Yeah, if you have enough VRAM, probably you don't have problems. But if your VRAM is limited, you're gonna get problems. Yeah, but also the graphic card is really important, the RAM for FSTO 2024. No. My joystick is a little bit sensitive and triggers sometimes the weather. was a little bit strange name for a waypoint.
Estamos llegando a nuestro destino. Por favor, comprueba que todos tus efectos personales están perfectamente asegurados en los compartimentos superiores o debajo del asiento. El respaldo de tu asiento en posición vertical, la mesita plegada y el cinturón de seguridad abrochado. Te recordamos que está estrictamente prohibido fumar, tanto cigarrillos tradicionales como electrónicos a bordo del avión, incluso en los lavabos que disponen de detectores de humo. Recordamos que en caso de evacuación no debes llevar el equipaje de mano. Por favor, revisa la tarjeta sobre seguridad a bordo que se encuentra situada en el bolsillo del asiento delantero. Los dispositivos electrónicos podrán seguir utilizándose siempre y cuando estén en modo avión. Los dispositivos más grandes, como ordenadores, deberán estar apagados y asegurados. Muchas gracias.
We are arriving at our destination. Please ensure all your personal items are stowed either in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Your seat back is in the upright position, the tray table is stowed, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. We remind you that it is strictly forbidden to smoke on board our aircraft, including in the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Electronic cigarettes are also prohibited. We would like to remind you that in the event of evacuation, you must leave all hand luggage behind. Please take a look at the safety card in the pocket of the seat in front of you. Portable electronic items may continue to be used as long as they are in airplane mode. Larger electronic devices must be switched off and stowed now. Thank you. Estem arribant a la nostra destinació. Comprova que tots els teus objectes personals estiguin correctament col·locats al compartiment superior o sota el seient, el respatller del seient en posició vertical, la tauleta plegada i el cinturó de seguretat cordat. Et recordem que està estrictament prohibit fumar tant cigarretes tradicionals com electròniques a bord de l'avió, incloent-hi els lavabos, que estan equipats amb detectors de fum. Podràs seguir utilitzant els dispositius electrònics sempre que estiguin en mode avió. Els dispositius de més grandària hauran d'estar apagats i correctament emmagatzemats. Moltes gràcies.
East traffic with Air 9, Yankee Foxtrot passing Sotox for RMG Delta 2 to right will report when established.
Si tiene un vuelo de conexión con Vueling o con otra compañía, busque el número de su puerta de embarque en los monitores de la terminal o pregunte en nuestra oficina de tránsito. También podrá consultar el estado del vuelo y puerta de embarque en nuestra aplicación móvil una vez que haya desembarcado. Le recordamos que su equipaje será entregado en su destino final. ¡Feliz viaje! If you have a connecting flight with Vueling or another airline, look for the number of your boarding gate on the airport information screens, or ask at our transit office. You can also find out the status of your flight and boarding gate on our mobile app once you've exited the plane. We remind you that you collect your luggage at your final destination. Have a nice flight.
Hello, radar contact. Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, Milano, hello, radar contact, descend flight level 120, expect ILS approach runway 28.
Ryanair 586, so requesting about 7 minutes out of cockpit.
Say again, how many minutes?
About 7 minutes.
That's approved, report them back.
Roger, reporting back, thank you, Ryanair 586 Alpha.
Okay, sad, but we have runway change now, not 1110.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, cleared Egin 1 November arrival for ILS Zulu, runway 28.
Yeah, sad, but we don't have runway 10, which we have planned, which is like an interesting approach. Now we have runway 28, which from the other side, which is not that nice as the approach from the other side, where you need to also fly minor 1 visual and make a turn before the landing, similar to Madeira.
Nordic 5604, disregard.
Easy 2 to wide, back in cockpit.
Roger, thank you. Nordic 5604, contact Padova 126.75.
126.75 for Nordic 5604.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, proceed direct GCUT, descend 6 feet.
We're about to arrive at destination. It's time to fasten your seatbelts. Make sure that all personal items, including switch-off laptops, are adequately stored and secured, your tray table stowed, and your seats in the upright position. Remember that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is strictly prohibited. Likewise, all portable electronic devices must be kept in airplane mode or switch it off throughout the flight until the aircraft is irrelevant. Many thanks for your collaboration.
Easy 385, contact Milano 126.75.
Contact Milano 126.75.
Top 619 Charlie Foxtrot, no further ATC, switch advisory 1228.
Advisory 1228, thank you for the service, have a good day, Top 6 Charlie Foxtrot, bye.
Taro 285, contact Roma 124.2.
1242, Taro 5 trap.
Right, Ryanair 554 Alpha back in cockpit.
Roger, thank you. Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, descent to 6,000 feet, QNH 1002. Easy 2 Echo Mike, contact Roma 124.2.
Before this motor, Echo Mike pass.
Control Saudi, cargo 913, we are busy.
Roger.
Milano controller log and UPS 308, direct AB, request higher.
UPS 308, hello, continue climb flight level 240.
Flight level 240, UPS 308.
Charlie Tanza 1 Romeo Whiskey, Milano, radar contact. Cleared every 2, correction every 3, Echo arrival, expect 35 right.
This is 1 Romeo Whiskey, please SIT, Echo arrival, expecting 35 right.
Taro 133 reach 4500 QNH 1002.
Taro 1383, you're clear for the ILS Yankee run. Wait list.
Cleared for LS Yankee runway 28, Taro 1383.
Lufthansa 1 Romeo Whiskey, aircraft descent.
Lufthansa 1 Romeo Whiskey, descend flight level 210.
Lufthansa 1 Romeo Whiskey, GSX 210.
Milan radar 10 Alpine 905 Lima Tango, passing flight level 120 and climb flight level 200, request IFR flight level 360 S5.
Alpine 95 Lima Tango, radar contact, climb flight level 280.
Climb flight level 280, thank you, Alpine 905 Lima Tango.
Lufthansa 5990, switch to advisory 1228, bye-bye.
Anticipate flight.
PS 308, switch to advisory 1228, bye-bye.
1228, bye-bye, UPS 308.
Buongiorno, IDT5, inbound, flight level 200.
Ciao, Easy 385, radar contact, climb level 240.
Climb flight level 240.
And radar on 1.8 shadow 148, flight level 200 inbound XOR.
Itaro 148, Milano, ciao, radar contact, climb flight level 300.
Climb level 300, shadow 148.
Saudia 913, monitor advisory 1228, ciao.
Roger, 1228, thank you so much, bye-bye.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, proceed direct to G-Cut, clear the LS Zulu runway 28, report established, your number 2. Easy 385, contact Padova 120.725. Lufthansa 1 Romeo Whiskey, contact Milano 126.75.
12675, Lufthansa Romeo Whiskey, ciao.
Itaro 1383, establish local as the runway 28.
Itaro 1383, roger, runway 28, clear to land, wind 03, 0 degrees, 18 knots. Have fun.
Clear to land, Itaro 1383.
Milano, good afternoon, Napoli, Vola 7810, 20 miles to speed, 360.
Ciao Napoli, Vola 7810, radar contact, clear the Melbourne 3 Echo arrival for runway 35 right.
Melbourne 3 Echo arrival, expect 35 right, Napoli, Vola 7810.
Good afternoon, Austrian 526, flight level 200.
Austrian 526, Milano, hello, radar contact. Climb flight level 340.
Level 340, Austrian 526.
Milano, Lufthansa Cargo 9127, climbing through flight level 160 for 200, direct Aviation.
Ciao, Lufthansa Cargo 9127, radar contact, climb the flight level 180.
Flight level 180, Lufthansa Cargo 9127.
Milan Radar, good afternoon, United 250, satellite level 340.
Ciao United 250, descend flight level 160, you are cleared Calic 1 Yankee arrival.
Descend flight level 160, clear to Calic 1 Yankee arrival. United 250.
German cargo, correction, Lufthansa cargo 9127, climb flight level 300.
Flight level 300, Lufthansa cargo 9127.
Tower 148, monitor advisory 1228.
Advisory Tower 148, ciao.
Milan 142 and 94 Alpha Uniform with you, climbing flight level 190.
Ciao Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform, Milano radar contact, continue climb flight level 310.
310 and 94 Alpha Uniform.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, Roger, continue approach number 2. Napoli 7810, descend flight level 200.
200, Napoli 7810.
Alpine 905, Lima to we are out of course. Can we back to the route again with a direct? Yes.
Alpine 95 Lima Tango, you can proceed direct to Roanoke.
Proceed direct to Roanoke, Alpine 905 Lima Tango. Sorry about that.
No problem. Lufthansa cargo 9127, Unicom 122, advisory 1228. Ciao.
Over to advisory 122, decimal 8, Lufthansa cargo 9127. Have a great afternoon. Bye bye.
Ryanair 18 Bravo Foxtrot, descend flight level 330.
Runway critical 1383.
Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, runway 28, clear to land, wind is 030 degrees 18 knots.
Oh, it's quite windy, 18 knots.
Itaro 1383, welcome to Genoa. You can taxi to any gate via November Mike.
Any gate November Mike, Itaro 1383. Thank you.
Milano, hello, this is FS275, that's signal, coming to final 360.
Air France 275, hello, radar contact, continue climb level 360.
Continue climbing 360 for FS275.
Ryanair 1, Bravo Foxtrot, contact Padova 120.725.
500.
Milano Control with Mach 725 at flight level 300 inbound Ekin.
With Air Mike 725, hello, radar contact, cleared the Devox 3 Echo arrival, expect ILS approach runway 35 right.
We are Devo 3 Echo, expect 35 right, ILS approach 35 right with Air Mach 725.
United 250, proceed direct Dixer.
Direct Dixer, United 250.
United 250, stop descent level 180.
Stop descent level 180, United 250. United 250.
Milano Alpine 2412, level 180.
Alpine 2412, Milano, hello, radar contact, continue climb flight level 370.
Continue 270, 12.
Alpine 95 Lima Tango, you can continue climb level 360 and switch to advisory 1228.
Continue climb level 360, thank you so much, and to advisory 1228, thank you for service, have a great day, good night, bye.
$1,000. 100 above.
So, autopilot off my plane.
Minimum.
Continue.
With Air Mike 725, descend flight level 200.
Descend flight level 200 with Air Mach 725.
Ryanair 58 X-ray Alpha, switch to advisory 1228.
Advisory 1228, Ryanair 58 X-ray Alpha, Delta Chief.
United 250, switch to Milano 126.750.
126.750, United 250.
Flight slow.
Requesting 350, Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform.
Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform, roger, climb flight level 350.
Copy, thank you, 350, Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform.
Milano, buon pomeriggio with 3781, climbing flight level 30, passing 160 with you.
Ciao, with Air 3781, Milano, radar contact, continue climb flight level 370.
Continue climb flight level 370 with 3781.
Milano with Malta 1 Lima with you 190.
With Air Malta 1 Lima, hello, radar contact, continue climb flight level 370.
Climb 370 with Sir Vueling.
Yeah, unfortunately it starts lagging again here on the ground. Yeah, like I said, guys, I think in the next streams we're gonna go switch back to FS220, and yeah, FS224 is too unstable still, at least for my system. But also other things like bugs and crashes and satellite images is unclear and stuff like this.
Golf Milano, ciao, Regiu 4. Hotel 17 Golf, contact approach 126.75. Vueling 34 Echo Juliet, welcome to Genoa, taxi via Alpha, November, my choice. Napoli Vola 7810, contact Milano 126.75.
2675, 7810, private 7.
With Air Malta 1 Lima, proceed direct VACOR. VACOR direct with Malta 1 Lima. With Air Mike 725, contact Milano 126.75.
Contact Milano 126.75 with Air Mike 725. Ciao, grazie.
Milano, buongiorno, Ryanair 1131, flight level 190, request aviation.
By the way, the landing was a bit hard, guys.
Ryanair 1131, reach you 5, you are identified, continue climb level 370 and proceed direct Genji.
265 feet per minute.
Direct Genji, Ryanair 1131.
Ambulance Center, Scandinavian 5604, flight level 170, going up to 190. Scandinavian 5604, Milano, hello, radar contact. Continue climb level 340. 340, Scandinavian 5604.
Milano, we're cut light requesting flight level 390 if possible, Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform.
Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform, level 390 approved, and you can switch to advisory 1228.
390 1228, Ryanair 94 Alpha Uniform, Charlie 100 knot.
Yeah, Genoa has a really beautiful approach on both sides. But yeah, with the slack again in approach here, didn't enjoy it so much. As well as satellite images in FS224 often quite blurry, even if you have using map enhancement. Yeah, like I said, guys, after this flight, I will switch back to FS229.
Scandinavian 5604, stop, climb level 300. Scandinavian 5604, stop, climb flight level 300.
So we're using the stand which in real life also was used by this flight from yesterday, I think. Oh, come on. GSX. Normally I have set up a profile for it, like I set it by myself up, the stop position, but it seems like it's still wrong. I don't know.
Milano, Buongiorno, Visa 5 Delta Kilo, passing flight level 168 to 200. Station calling, say again, please. Milano, Buongiorno, Visa 5 Delta Kilo, passing flight level 174 to 200. Visa 5 Delta Kilo, Roma, correction Milano, hello, radar contact. Continue climb flight level 300. Continue climbing to flight level 300, Visa 5 Delta Kilo. Wizz Air 3781, contact Padova 120.725.
Okay, passengers need to depart today via the window.
Wizz Air 3781, contact Padova 120.725.
Passengers deporting starting.
Alpine 2412, switch to advisory 1228.
By the way, guys, this scenery is really nice. It's a freeway scenery.
Wizz Air 3781, Milano.
Wizz Air 3781?
Wizz Air 3781, contact
Okay, guys,
Padova,
I hope you enjoyed this flight.
725.
Yeah, like I said, next time probably FSTO 20 or PPD.
Decimal 725.
Have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.
Wizz Air 3781, 120.